What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Garden with Barchuckin. Today I'm starting my sweet potatoes to get slips going, and we're going to do kind of a versus. I'm going to start some in water and some in soil and see which one produces the best slips. Come along and I'll show you what I'm doing. So these are the varieties that I'll be growing. I already wrote the tags out for the soil, and I have more tags in the ones that I'm going to be starting in water. So here's the first variety. This is the Jersey White. It has a white skin with a white flesh on the inside. What I'm going to use is this larger skewer to poke a small hole to then be able to insert the toothpick. So now just find the hole, and then I can push the toothpick in a little easier. Looks like that hole's actually a little low, so I'll scoot it up some. So there's that. And then in the container, see, I have it actually marked on the container too with another tag, because I don't want to get these confused. I have a few that kind of look alike, so I want to make sure that I know which variety I'm using. Okay, this one's the yam. This one has orange skin and orange flesh. And this one's the Murasaki. This has the purple skin and the white flesh on the inside. Okay, and then finally, the Okinawan. This has white skin with purple flesh on the inside. This was one of the first ones that I bought, and this is actually kind of squishy. This one here is much firmer, so I went back to, I have like an Asian market, and I picked this up. But this is much firmer, which I'm pleased with. And one thing I'm noticing, this thing's going to be top heavy. Okay, so here's the setup for growing the sweet potatoes in water, and then I'll show you setting up the sweet potatoes in some soil. Now I'm going to start the sweet potatoes in some soil. This is the Jersey White, the white skin with the white flesh. And I'm just going to kind of press it in. I've already started to moisten the soil. Next will be the yam. So the orange skin with the orange flesh on the inside. Next is the Okinawan. So I ended up picking two up originally, and you can see this one's real soft, so I'm going to plant this guy. And then finally the Murasaki. This is purple on the outside and white on the inside. Now this one and this one were grown last year, so hopefully we'll get to see if that makes a difference in the process of them starting to root and produce slips. So now I'm going to go ahead and water all those guys in. I'm going right around the sweet potatoes. I'm going to add a little bit more soil back there. So okay, I'm just going to keep an eye on this, keep it moist. I think I actually will put a little heat mat underneath of it. My buddy Adrian was telling me that's the way he was doing it, and it worked out really well. So I want to give these guys the best chance to grow some sweet potato slips. So that's how I'm going to do it. If you guys have any good tricks to grow some good sweet potato slips, don't forget, let me know down in the comments. And we'll get to see which produces slips first, the sweet potatoes in soil or the sweet potatoes that are getting grown out in water. Well, thanks for coming along, checking out this video. Everybody have a great day.